See, before we start this particular question, a general look on what comprises internet. Linkage between development and spread of extremism, role of external state and non-state actors in challenges to internal security, challenges to internal security through communication network, role of media, social networking in internal security, challenges, cybersecurity, money laundering, security challenges in border areas, organized crime and terrorism, security forces, agencies, and their mandate. This is the component of internal security. See, a good way of preparing for the civil service means keep going through the syllabus again and again. So once you keep going through the syllabus again and again, you get confidence and there is little chance of you straying away from the syllabus. Coming to the question for discussion. Left-wing extremism is a threat to internal security with lots of repercussions. Discuss with reference to implications, suggest solutions. So the answer, first we have an introduction. The answer is in two parts. First, implications of left-wing extremism. Second one is suggest conclusions. Come to the introductory part. See, 89% of left-wing extremism is concentrated in 30 districts of the country. 10 states are affected by left-wing extremism. This will be the introductory part of the answer. So, what are the economic repercussions of this left-wing extremism? Left-wing extremism is a form of Naxalism, and the objective of left-wing extremism is to overthrow the state by violent means. What happens? Economic repercussions. First thing, protection money. The extremists, the left-wing extremists, extort money from the government officials working in the left-wing extremist districts for protection. Also, they seek protection money from the businesses, miners. Whatever money they get, whatever fund they get, this is again to purchase weapons and to carry on their activities against the state. The second economic repercussion, destruction of infrastructure. See, if you travel through a particular place in Chhattisgarh, it's called Dantewada. In Dantewada, you can see the havoc created by the left-wing extremists. Destruction of towers, destruction of infrastructure, police stations, police vehicles. So, the most important repercussion of this left-wing extremism is destruction of infrastructure. Displacement. So displacement is another economic repercussion. Now what happens? The people affected by the left-wing extremism, for fear of the extremists, they migrate when the cost of them settling down in other places. Displacement. Now see the cost of maintaining the security forces. Whenever there is an attack by the left-wing extremists, the government of India has to rush security forces there. So because now you see in the division of powers between the center and the states, law and order, police is the responsibility of the state. Internal security is the responsibility of the central government. So the cost of maintaining the security forces is another big economic repercussion. So the implications is one part of the answer. Coming to the initiatives taken by the government. So the initiatives taken by the government, the first important initiative launched by the Ministry of Home Affairs is called Samadhan. See, in Samadhan, what the government is trying to achieve, smart leadership, then motivation, training, then identify, then dashboard based performance, then key results on how, what the strategy is to strategies, whether the strategies followed are correct in tackling the left-wing extremism. So Samadhan is one initiative of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Then you also have special battalions, like you can also call them elite commandos, like the Cobra. Now in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, they have an elite commando force called Greyhounds. So all this has helped a lot in tackling the LWE menace. Another important measure taken by the government is implementation of the Forest Rights Act, to see that the forest tribals have the right to collect produce and the forest, and they are not evicted from their position, because denial of occupancy rights to the forest dwellers is making them lean towards the left-wing extremists. So proper implementation of the Forest Rights Act. Then we also have the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So we are going to use the money laundering, the PMLA, to check illegal funding. So this funding to left-wing extremist organizations will come under the scanner. Now basically the reason why there is left-wing extremism is lack of infrastructure. So what the Ministry of Rural Development has done is, it has launched a program, road connectivity to left-wing extremist areas. So once the road connectivity is done, the areas will open up, and to that extent the left-wing extremism can be controlled. Issues of concern. Now in issues of concern, what I would like to say is, the problem of left-wing extremism, the tackling of left-wing extremism cannot be left to the state governments to handle it themselves, because the state governments are only connected with law and order, police. These two are state subjects. Now the problem of internal security is the prime responsibility of the Government of India, the Ministry of Home Affairs. And to that extent, the central government is bound to have an overriding power. So what will happen is, suppose the same party is in power at the center and the states, there is no problem. When different parties come, the question of the working at loggerheads comes. So like, you take this West Bengal, you take the states ruled by the opposition, the regional parties. They keep harping that state, the law and order is their prerogative, police is their prerogative. But the overall connection, the overall control has to be with the central government, that is the Ministry of Home Affairs. This is a brief discussion on the left-wing extremism, what it is about, economic repercussions, government initiatives. Now, if you want to read more, suppose you want additional material to what, in addition to what we have discussed, you go to the Ministry of Home Affairs website, download the latest annual report. I think the latest annual report is 2019-20. So this 1920 will give you additional information. You can supplement the information we have discussed with the material available on the MHA website, that is the annual report. But what would happen is, when you are writing in 200 words, your main strategy would be to cover the required material in 200 words. So because the examiner expects comprehensive answer, precise answer, and you do not have time to go into much details. So this particular analysis, what we have done today in discussing with left-wing extremism, this is a more comprehensive way of analyzing for 200 words. So, concluding the discussion on this particular question, first we can highlight the gravity of the situation, that is left-wing extremism, where it is prevalent, which are the districts affected, the states affected. The first part of the answer would be economic repercussions. You highlight the points which are these main points which I've highlighted: protection money, destruction of infrastructure, displacement, cost of maintaining security forces. This will be the economic repercussions for a state affected by the left-wing extremism. Then you take the government initiatives. Government initiatives give importance to the proactive measures of government, which has helped in curbing the LWE menace. You mentioned Samadhan, you mentioned the Allied Commando Forces, you mentioned the experiment launched by Telangana, that is the Greyhounds. Then even the economic initiatives of the government, like checking terror funding by the PMLA. Then the most important part of the answer would be connectivity. See, so long as there is the connectivity is not there, left-wing extremism can thrive. Once you develop connectivity, now the Ministry of Rural Development has initiated a program for connectivity to LWE areas. So this is another important initiative taken by the government in checking the menace of left-wing extremism. So your answer will be in conformity with the discussions we have had. These are the three major steps or three major the areas where you can highlight and discuss, and the answer would comprise nearly 200 to 220 words, but as I told you in the beginning, you have to stick to the word limit of 200 words.